Now 7th standard maths exercise 1.2 third problem. Find the value of the following. The last class you learned about the number line. Now the third problem 35 minus of minus 64. Fourth problem minus 200 minus of plus 100. 35 minus of minus 64. Now minus into minus you have to learn about the product rules. Plus into plus, plus, minus into minus, plus into minus, minus into plus, minus. Now 35 minus of minus 64. Now you have to multiple these two, minus into minus plus, so plus 64. So these two are same sign, so you have to add 35 plus 64. 5 plus 4, 9, 3 plus 6, 9. Answer 99. Next minus 200 minus of plus 100. So minus into plus minus into plus minus. So minus 200 minus 100. These two are same sign. So you have to add. Same sign means we have to add 200 plus 100 300. Then finally we use the same sign minus 300. Now fourth problem. Kabilan was having 10 pencils with him. He gave 2 pencils to Sendil and 3 to Karthik. Next day his father gave him 6 more pencils. From that he gave 8 to his sister. How many pencils are left with him? First we have to find the total number of pencils. First day he have a 10 pencil. The next day father gave 6 more pencils. So total number of pencils 16. 10 plus 6, 16 pencils. He gave some pencils for Sendil, some of the pencils to Sendil and Karthik and his sister. So number of pencils gave to Sendil, Karthik and his sister. Gave to Sendil 2 pencils, gave to Karthik 3 pencils, his sister 8 pencils. Total you have to add 2 plus 3 5 plus 8 13 pencils. Now we want to find how many pencils are left. So number of pencils left equal to total number of pencils is 16 minus this 13. So 16 minus 13 is equal to 3 pencils. Now fifth problem. A lift is on the ground floor. If it goes 5 floors down and then moves up to 10 floors from there, then in which floor will the lift be? The given first the lift on the ground floor. Ground floor initially 0. So 5 floors for it is towards up is 5 floors 1 2 3 4 5. Downwards 5 floor 1 2 3 4 5. First the lift moves down 5 floors, so that is the lift land at the 5th floor towards down. So downwards we have to denote the minus symbol, so here minus 5. Now from this place the lift moved 10 floors, so that means here already 5 floors are there, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the lift land on the 5th floor. Initially the lift will be in the ground floor represents 0. First the lift goes 5 floors down. Goes down means it is a minus 5. 5 floors down, so minus 5. Moves 10 floors up from there. From that place, so it is a moves up towards up, so plus 10. So the left will be, so initially 0, then moves down, it is minus 5, moves up 10 floors, so plus 10. So now we have to simplify this. 0 minus 5 is minus 5 plus 10. So big number is a plus 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Big number sign plus, so plus 5. So the lift on the 5th floor above the ground floor. Sixth problem. When Kala woke up, her body temperature was 102 degree Fahrenheit. She took medicine for fever. After 2 hours, it was 2 degree Fahrenheit lower. What was her temperature then? Now the initial temperature is 102 degree Fahrenheit. After 2 hours, 2 degree Fahrenheit is decreased. So the final temperature we have to subtract these two. Initial temperature 102 degree Fahrenheit. After 2 hours the temperature decreased lower. So minus 2 degree Fahrenheit. So final temperature, subtract these two. That is 102 degree Fahrenheit minus 2 degree Fahrenheit. So that is 102 minus 2, 100 degree Fahrenheit. Seventh question, what number should be added to minus 17 to get minus 19? Some number have to add with minus 17, we get this number. Always we have to consider that unknown number be some other variable. We have to solve this. Let the unknown number be x. Let the number be x. Given condition, some number add with minus 17. So some number we assumed x. X plus minus 17 equal to minus 19. So we have to follow the transposing rules. Here this is rewritten as plus into minus minus x minus 17 equal to minus 19. Now you have to apply the transposing rules. This minus 17 transposed to this side, right hand side. Left hand side value transposed to right hand side. So x is equal to minus 19 plus 17. So now minus 19 plus 17, different sign. So we have to subtract 19 minus 17, 2. Big number sign minus. So x is equal to minus 2. A student was asked to subtract minus 12 from minus 47. He got minus 30. Is he correct? Justify. Given question, minus 12 from minus 47. So first you write minus 47 minus minus 12. So minus 47 minus into minus plus 12 is equal to, we have to a different sign, so you have to subtract these two. 7 minus 2, 5, 4 minus 1, 3. Big number sign is minus, so minus 35. But the student answer is minus 30. So he is not correct.